High-voltage printed circuit boards are made to handle very high voltages safely and reliably. They use strong insulation materials, wide spacing between copper parts, and protective coatings to stop sparks or arcing. You'll find them in solar power systems, electric vehicles, industrial machines, X-ray and CT scanners, and even radar and communication systems. Simply put, they're used anywhere that needs stable power, strong insulation, and maximum safety under extreme electrical stress. The big advantage of high-voltage boards is that they make systems safer, more compact, and more reliable while handling higher voltages with less heat and energy loss. At HiPCB, we design and manufacture professional high-voltage printed circuit boards that meet international safety and quality standards. Our engineers make sure every board is optimized for your exact project, from material selection to high-voltage testing. Whether you need prototypes or mass production, we're here to help. Visit HighPCB.com to learn more and get a free consultation today. Let's bring your high-voltage project to life with precision, safety, and quality you can trust.